Hello everyone, welcome to the Crack You video series. Hope you are doing well with your preparations. Today we are here to discuss static GK geography questions for TISSNET and CMAT 2022. Please do visit our website crackyou.in and you can download the previous year papers there. It would be helpful for your exam. We have launched the CMAT crash course from 1st Feb. So the course includes detailed day-wise schedule covering all the important topics and it's available for just rupees 1,999. And you can enroll for the CMAT mocks as well, which is rupees 299. This is a crash course. Link is given in description. So along with this, we are providing 5 latest pattern TISSNET mocks as well. It is rupees 299. Link is given in description. Please do visit and enroll for these packages for your better practice. Let's start with the first question. The civilian airport of highest altitude is in? The correct answer is D, China. The height of this airport is 4411 meters above the sea level. Let's check the next question. Of the following man-made disasters, which is socially induced? The correct answer is C, arson. Arson is the crime of intentionally and maliciously setting fire to building, wildland areas, vehicles or other properties with the intent of cause damage. Distinct from spontaneous combustion and natural wildfires, it is considered to be man-made disaster. Let's check the next question. Katarani rice is the GI tag of which state of India? The correct answer is B, Bihar. Let's check the next question. Which location does not have an oil refinery? The correct answer is D, Agra. Let's check the next question. Black soil is not found in? The correct answer is C, West Bengal. Black soil found in Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Maharashtra. But in West Bengal we can find laterite soil. Laterite soil. Let's check the next question. What percentage of area is the area of Rajasthan in India? The correct answer is 10.4%. It covers around 342,239 square kilometers. Let's check the next question. Name the Indian state having maximum number of major seaports. The correct answer is name the Indian state having maximum number of major seaports. The correct answer is D, Tamil Nadu. Let's check the next question. Maithili language is spoken in which state of India? The correct answer is C, Bihar. Maithili language with Magadhi and Bhojpuri, one of the 3 main languages of Bihar state. So Maithili, then Magadhi and Bhojpuri. These 3 languages are the main languages of Bihar state. Let's check the next question. Match the country, city and river. The correct answer is D. That is, Germany is the country, then city is Dresden, then river is Elbe. Okay, then Poland is the country, then Warsaw is the city, and then Vistula is the river. Then third one is Portugal is the country, Lisbon is the city, and Tagus is the river. And last, Bangladesh is the country, then Chittagong is the city and the river is Karnafuli. Let's check the next question. Match the geographical epithet to country and city. The correct answer is C. That is Quaker City. The country is Philadelphia. Then twin city is, country is Budapest. White city, country is Belgrade. And windy city is second one, Chicago. Let's check the next question. Which of the following national parks established by Government of India is the relatively the latest one? Which of the following national parks established by Government of India is the relatively the latest one? The correct answer is B. Kanzidonga National Park, Sikkim. So, Madhav National Park, Madhya Pradesh, it is established in 1958. Then Kanzidonga, established in 1977. Then Corbett National Park, Uttaranchal is 1936. And Tadoba National Park, Maharashtra, it's in 1955. So the latest one is B, that is Kanzidonga. Let's check the next question. Which of the following rivers do not flow across Uttarakhand? The correct answer is C, Gandak and Gomti. Let's check the next question. What is a good estimate for the length of the coastal line of the mainland India? The correct answer is A, 6,000 kilometers. Let's check the next question. When it is 11:15 as per Greenwich Mean Time, that is called GMT, what will be the time in Delhi? So the correct answer is 16:45 hours. Means we can say 4:45 p.m. Let's check the next question. Mulai Periyar Dam is a matter of controversy between which of the following states? The correct answer is B, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The Mullaperiyar Dam is located 881 meter, that is 2890 feet above sea level on the Cardamom Hills of the Western Ghat in Thekadi, Ladki district of Kerala. Let's check the next question. Arrange the following Indian rivers from north to south. So the correct answer is D. That is, first is Jhelum, then Narmada, then Godavari, and then Kaveri. Let's check the next question. Mount Everest is the highest mountain summit of the world. Rank the following summits in descending order of their heights. So the correct answer is C. That is, the first one is Godwin Austen, then Kanchizunga, then Lohotos, and then Makalu. Let's check the next question. Which country has the longest coastal line? The correct answer is D, Canada. The coastal line is 202,080 kilometers. So it is the longest coastal line. Let's check the next question. Arrange the following Indian port cities beginning from east to west. So the correct answer is B. That is Vishakhapatnam, Chennai, then Kochi, then Jamnagar. Let's check the next question. Which of the following cities is at the junction of the highways known as north-south and east-west corridors? So the correct answer is C, Jhansi. So Jhansi is at the junction of the highway known as north-south and east-west corridors. So it is called north-south and east-west corridors. Hope the video will help you in your preparations. So please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.